Good morning everyone, respected sir, madam, parents and my dear friends. My name is Yashwant. I am studying 5th class. Wish you a very happy Republic Day. Today is January 26th, Republic Day. Celebrate 77th Republic Day. Republic Day is National Festival of India. We celebrate this day with great joy and happiness. On this day, we,
The
the Constitution of India came into force in 1915. The Constitution is the supreme law of India. Our Constitution was written by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. We should always respect our Constitution. Republic Day makes us realize the importance of democracy. Republic Day teaches us to live in peace, love and unity. I am proud to be an Indian and I love my country very much. Thank you.